Today we have a big meeting in my area. It is Asambari area. As you know, after election and this election, we did not success in election. However, now after election, people again realize that the IPFT party is the only party who can really fight for the state, for the people, and our demand. Still we are reviving, but the present demand, statehood demand, will be again revived, and people realize now that only IPFT party is the only one who can fight for the people, and fight for the state. Therefore, today in the meeting, it is symbolized that the large gathering people respond, and I have visited several places. And in the meantime, we also distribute some of the plant for the plantation. Therefore, I think this is the sign of development that our IPFT party once again, not only in the Asambari area, whole of the state, we are reviving. As you know, all know, therefore yesterday we have a big gathering in Mandai and Hajamara and Kanchanpur, all over Tripura. Now we are reviving our party activities, and hopefully within 2 or 3 months we'll have a big gathering, central gathering, maybe in Kumulung or maybe in Agartala. We already planned. So IPFT is going to organize big rally in near future. Thank you.